Stay. Stay. Get over here. I'm not about to let it fall down there. So I've been walking about 15 minutes in. Nothing's getting me winded really, but there were some steps that make you start to breathe a little bit. But I've been sitting in the car for a little while, so finally getting the blood moving. This is feeling good. Still have to cross the road to get to the Rocktop the Rocktop Trail. And then we'll start getting some cool crawling in. So let's go. Now we're finally across the road and heading up to Rocktop Trail. And there we go. We're going to the right. Where we were just a few minutes ago was up and down, but mainly the elevation was going down. So the terrain right now isn't that bad. It's just a kind of a sandy trail, dirt trail here, just some light rocks. But soon up ahead, that's going to start to change, and that's what we're looking for. Wow, this is awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for. Wow, this is just a few minutes from when I just made the last video, but this is great. Check this out. So you can see beyond those trees, all those rocks. So this is a pretty technical trailhead because there's just so much terrain with granite and limestone. I think it might actually be limestone. I said granite earlier, but I might be wrong. And it's dangerous. So people have fallen, people have broken limbs, and oh, look at this. Are you kidding me? This really burns me up. Look at this crap. People, pick up your trash, take it with you. Plastic bottle just sitting in a tree. Ridiculous. Anyway, let's get on with some crawling, huh?